Welcome back. Time now for business. The Ghana Stock Exchange will be embarking on a project to get the youth to embrace investments on the local bourse. The move is part of initiatives by the exchange to boost activities on the market and also attract young investors. Managing Director of the Ghana Stock Exchange, Ekwa Feji, has been explaining to Joy Business.
I'm very passionate about how we can get our youth to get educated about their future in terms of investments and entrepreneurial skills and all those things. You cannot wait for government to create employment for everybody. It's important that we inculcate the savings habit when they are young. Then they can move on to investments. So what we plan to do is to use the online and use the various media options around, and together with the Securities, the Ghana Securities Industry Association, we'll be working together to make sure that we can carry on some long-term educational programs. And like you said, we shouldn't target just the university graduates or students, but also those in the informal sector. It's important that we develop that habit because you can't bet forever in your life. You can make some money through betting, but is that the way you want to live your life? We need to invest for the future. The only way we can have a prosperous future is to invest. That is why I always believe we must encourage them when they're even in primary school. When the parent gives that child money, teach that child how to save a little of that money. And some children do it. So by the time they even get to university, they have a lot of savings. Parents should open accounts for their children. By the time they get to 18, you can pass over those accounts to that. Nobody is saying started with any big money, but just to inculcate that habit of savings and investments. Look at the Chinese, the Indians, and all those countries. They all have higher savings rates. Somebody will say we are poor. We haven't got into those economies. I understand.